Hello everyone, welcome to the last part of the HTML tutorial. In this video we will cover how to open your own free GitHub account and how to create your own free hosting in GitHub. Once you have developed your own website, designed and developed your own website, you can use GitHub as a free hosting service provider. They provide hosting for free. So in this section we will cover how to create your own account and how to create your own free hosting. First thing, you just go to github.com and you sign in. You sign up for a new account. You can enter your username. Be careful here because whatever username you are going to enter is going to turn up as your website. So make sure your username is unique. So I'm going to enter Exadata Analytics 24. My email will be admin@exadataanalytics.com. I'm going to enter a password. I'll click sign up. So now it will try to create an account for us and it will ask us to verify. You need to just solve this puzzle, make sure that the object is straight. Once it is done, it will ask for the subscription. We are using a free subscription, so click continue and skip this step if you want. So now you need to verify your email address. So now I'll verify my email address. As you can see here, I have the mail from GitHub. I click here. Now it is verified. So here I'm going to create a repository and make sure that you enter the same name as your username here, Exadata Analytics 24.github.io. This is very important because your repository name should be the same as your username followed by .github.io. This is going to be your website address. Make sure public is selected and click create repository. So you'll get a page like this. Here you can select upload an existing file. Now you'll have this particular section. Now I have a template here, what I have downloaded from what do you call it as ColorLib, download for free. I am going to upload this entire template for testing. So as you can see, it is uploading 77 files from the template. So that's it, the upload is done. As you can see the files here, click commit changes. It will process your files for a few minutes and it should be ready to go. You can upload any template here. You can upload your own website, whatever you designed. It is not necessary that you need to upload a particular template. You can upload your own website, whatever you designed so far, or your own design. As you can see now, the entire file is uploaded. After this, you just go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see under GitHub pages, your site is published at a particular link. You can click this particular link and you can see your site is up. Yes, the same template, whatever you downloaded, and we edited few content here. You can see it here, and you can see the site is up at exadataanalytics24.github.io. You can edit the template and you can upload anytime as you want. You can do a lot of changes here. You can keep on editing the template. You can do whatever you want here. Thank you.